morning so far at Belmont Park, and we're going to be rounding out the Triple Crown today in one of the larger events that New York State has held since the start of the pandemic. There's going to be more than 11,000 fans here today. All of them will have to prove either they're fully vaccinated or they recently tested negative for COVID-19. That's more fans than we saw at the previous stakes last month. It is, however, still significantly less than the Kentucky Derby, which had 50,000 fans. Kind of highlights still the differences in states in the return to normal. But also notably absent today will be the winner of the Kentucky Derby, Medina Spirit. You might remember when news broke about a month ago that the horse had failed a drug test. Well, this week, a second post-race test confirmed the presence of a banned steroid, and now the horse's trainer, Bob Baffert, a legend in horse racing, is himself banned. He can't enter Medina Spirit or any of the other horses here today or anywhere else in New York for the rest of the year. He's also barred from Churchill Downs for 2 years because of those failed drug tests. So post time tonight is 6:47. In the absence of Medina Spirit, the new favorite is Essential Quality, given 2-1 odds coming out of post 2. And Eva, I wanted to get all that mentioned for Dan because I know there's one thing he loves more than fantasy sports. It's gambling on the thoroughbreds.
John 21 verse 11. Simon Peter went up and drew the net to land full of great fishes, and 153. And for all there were so many, yet not the net broken. The square root of the number 153 is 12.369. That is the number of moons in a solar year. Using the reciprocal of the number 153, the numbers that fit in between the zeros that repeat over and over and over again, multiply that set of numbers beginning with 17, and the repeated 1 pattern begins, and that when you add 17, basically doubling it, the 2 pattern, add 17 to 34, you get 51. 17 to 51 is 68, and so on, all the way to we get to 153. This is the reciprocal numbers of the number 153, and as you can see, it goes from 1 to 9 in repeating, but then you have the 1 to 9 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in each row going down. The reciprocal of the number 153. The 26 letters of the English alphabet used as a cipher. The great people have a sum total letter value of 153. Hidden witness of Joseph's line, a purified Israel, the revealed Son, seed of the woman, all having a sum total letter value, according to the 26 letters of the English alphabet, of 153. In trigonometry, sin, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, having a sum total letter value using the English septenary cipher of 153. 365.24. The number of days in a solar year has a sum total letter value of 153. 5,280 feet. The number of feet in a mile, having a sum total of 153. We will be using the mile in this video, as well as the furlong, to show God's plan, the horse, and the New Jerusalem. In Hebrew, the God's Son. I think I did it backwards, but yeah, it should be going the other way. But it's the God's Son here, having a Hebrew Gematria, sum total letter value of 153. Using the 26 letters of the English alphabet, the following messages have a letter value sum total of 153. Wisdom archived. Numeric proof. Alphabet messages. Plain English code. The key is wine. English is wine. 666 being the 36th triangle number, times 3 is 108, and 15 times 3 is the 45. 108 plus 45 is our 153 in the geometry of the triangles. 3 run by using 36 triangles added to 3 base triangles, 15 triangles each. When Jesus and Yeshua are put together, the sum total letter value is 153. The number of God equals 153. Encrypted KJV. Encrypted KJV, which is King James Version, has a sum total of 153. And here we say Messiah's word having the value of 153. The word, the Logos, God. Messiah, the anointed one, Christ, Jesus.